our other videos on insurance, we've talked about tenants insurance, empty property insurance, landlord insurance, insurance claims, and this dreaded average clause. And today I'm really keen to talk about an exciting new development for Chapmans, and I want to thank you, Alex, for being here today to talk about it. Now, as our clients know, especially those who've been with us for a long time, Chapmans has grown steadily in size over the years, and we're always trying to find ways of adding more value to our clients, whether that's better service, whether that's saving them money, whether that's reducing their stress, or just giving them information. And one of the exciting developments in our growth is our move to creating a block policy arrangement for our owners through yourselves at Bruce Stevenson. And I'm very good about lettings and maintenance and management and things like that. And for me, the way I understand how the block policy will work is the average person maybe has an insurance policy of, say, £500 for their property. And therefore, if we have, say, 20 landlords or 50 landlords who are taking a policy out with Bruce Stevenson, instead of the insurance company saying, oh, you've got a £500 policy, they'll combine those 50 £500 policies and go, gosh, you've got an insurance premium of, check my maths, I think that's 25,000.
It is, yeah.
So if there is, say for example, in any 1 year a claim, then say you've got that individual policy is worth £500, and say there's a claim of, say, £20,000, the insurance company will say, okay, if it was a £500 policy, that's going to take, 20 years or whatever it is to recoup the cost of that claim. Whereas if there's a block policy where their annual premium combines the lot and say it's 25,000, it's not going to take that long to recoup. Does that sound about right?
The claim is more readily absorbed than the premium. Okay. So the benefit of Chapmans having that block policy is, as the situation you explained, but prior to that, it's preferential rates that you get because there's a larger number of properties. Buying power, exactly that. Yeah. In addition to that, Chapmans can also assist the landlord with claims, which can be helpful if the landlord is not in the UK for whatever reason, or is not readily accessible, might be doing business elsewhere, for example. So you can help speed that claims process up by having an element of control there. You're able to collect the landlord's insurance premiums from the rental income, so Chapmans would be able to do that.
Just take it off the rent, and the landlord doesn't have to physically go and pay that money.
That's sort of easier for everybody. Yes, just going back to the point that you made about the claim situation, the premium increases are kept to a minimum due to the larger block policy premium absorbing any claims. So the landlord would generally see larger premium increases if they were insured individually than if they were insured under a block policy with Chapmans.
So, for example, if a landlord had an insurance claim, and it was not under the block policy, and he went to get a renewal quote, the renewal quote would be higher in his own name.
Yes.
Whereas because he'd be under the block, Chapman's block umbrella, actually his renewal premium may not have gone up as much.
Exactly, because he's got the rest of that premium and that buying power to sort of absorb that.
Perfect. So it saves them time, it saves them hassle. We can help more directly with claims handling if they need us to, and potentially it sort of mitigates their risk when there has been a claim of a massive premium hike.
Exactly.
So I know once we move to the block policy, which is coming early 2020, Chapmans will have an overall block policy renewal date. So whether it's the 1st of January, 1st of February, we haven't sort of pinned that down yet. But can you explain what will happen to, say, I've got a landlord who took out his insurance policy in, say, June time. What will happen at their renewal time? Will they pay from June through to the following 1st of February, or what will happen then?
That's exactly right. So they just come on and the premium is pro rata for the number of months that are left under the Chapmans policy, if you like. So as you said, it was the 1st of June renewal for the landlord. They pay from the 1st of June 2020 through to the 1st of January, let's say 2021, and then it renews on the 1st of January 2021 and goes the full next 12 months. So anybody that then comes on after that, it's just that pro rata premium. So they don't pay an annual premium, they just pay for the number of months that they're going to be on cover up until the next renewal date of the Chapmans Block policy.
Brilliant, that's super. And when it comes to their renewal time, you guys will speak to my clients directly.
Exactly,
Oh,
yes. So we issue the renewal terms directly to the landlord
Mm-hmm.
as normal, and highlight the benefits of joining a Chapmans Block policy, and explain how any pro rata premium might work if they're joining sort of out throughout the course of the year.
Perfect. So it's still their own insurance policy effectively,
Exactly.
still their own claims, it's still their property, it's still something they're paying, but we can pay that bill for them. They will get the benefit of our scale now, and so really they should only see benefits apart from just the fact that they might need to pay a pro-rated amount,
Exactly.
but they wouldn't be paying any more than they'd be paying otherwise.
Exactly, yeah.
Brilliant. I think we've got it.
Lovely. Nailed it.
Thanks very much, Alex. Really appreciate your time.
Not at all.